Hi, welcome to my Fungus Eliminator review. Fungus Eliminator is a fungus-fighting formula by PureHealth Research that targets the root of fungal infections. This is one product that you can depend on to get rid of toenail fungus. Designed using natural ingredients such as inulin, turmeric, BIOPERINE, and some bacteria strains, the formula aims to show results in as little as 12 days. Compared to the over-the-counter drugs, this product is safer, cheaper, easier, and more effective. Fungal infections are not just skin troubles. While fungus starts with a yellowish discoloration on your toenails, the deadly infection has roots on the inside. It thrives under the skin and spreads. Fungus Eliminator toenail treatment works to prevent such a situation from occurring. In the early stages of the toenail fungus's appearance, use this supplement. This natural formula helps in eliminating fungus. Not only can it wipe fungus off your skin surface, but it can also eradicate it inside your body. Basically, the formula boosts your immune system, and this enables your body to defend itself from the further attack of the infection. This also enables your system to take the fungal infection out. With this formula, you can expect to get fast and lasting results. You don't have to worry about toenail fungus making its way to your toes back again. Fungus Eliminator is based on an all-natural composition. All the ingredients present in this formula showcase antifungal properties. In other words, these work to fight the infection so that it is flushed from the body. This supplement is reasonably priced and comes with a year-long money-back guarantee. You should definitely give it a try. To purchase Fungus Eliminator for the lowest price online, visit the link in the description below.